In this video, I'll show you how to add effects to your clips in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the top left corner of DaVinci Resolve and click on the Effects panel to open it. From here, you'll see different sections like Toolbox and Resolve FX. You can scroll through a variety of built-in effects such as Zoom Blur, Lens Blur, Radial Blur, and many more. To apply an effect, just drag and drop it directly onto your clip in the timeline. To adjust or manage your effects, select the clip. Then open the inspector. Scroll down to the Effects tab. Here you can customize each effect's settings or toggle them on and off. You can even stack multiple effects. For example, add box blur and tweak its horizontal and vertical strength separately. Play around and experiment with different combinations. Each effect gives you plenty of controls to get creative with. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve tutorials.